Hey, look what we got delivered today. Calphalon Precision Self-Sharpening Cutlery. Premium German knives. We're going to make good use of these, aren't we? Yes, we are. I'm going to open them up and show you what they look like inside. Here we go. Self-sharpen technology. Stay sharp for a lifetime. There's a few different sets of these, some more expensive and some less expensive. Let's see what they look like. Box. Cardboard in the box. Let's not cut ourselves. Alright. Boy, they're heavy. What do you think of that? What else we got? Block. Calphalon Precision. Need a knife to open it. Just bust it open. Oh, this nice block. Every kitchen or aspiring chef should have a set of these. Wrapped up nice. Ooh, look at that. Smells like good wood. Boy, it got a good woody smell to it. Alright. Let's check the knives out. I do need a knife, don't I? Need a knife to open the knives. Ooh. Look at that. Look at them all. You got your scissors, kitchen shears. We're going to rinse all these off, wash them off with soap and water before I use them, but I'm just going to put them in here for now. Nice. So you go in the front there. Nice. So we have 15 pieces here. We have an 8-inch chef's knife, an 8-inch bread knife, 6-inch Santoku, 6-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 8-piece steak knife sets. Yeesh. Set, not sets. All right, look at these. Wow, heavy. Don't cut yourself. And they're labeled too. See, that says 8-inch chef knife right here. So the thing about these is, ooh, wow. So they go in the block, and every time you pull them out, they sharpen because it's a ceramic sharpener in there. These are still cold from being on the delivery truck. See the frost on there. So every time you pull them out to use them, they sharpen. So you're going to see a lot of cooking with these boys. Let me get the rest out. This is a 8-inch bread knife. Now the bread knife, I believe, wouldn't work in a sharpener because it's serrated. We're going to put that there. Alright, let me open all these up and I'll show you when I'm done. I'll show you them all set up. Here they are, all set up. Isn't that nice? Comes with instructions of where to put them, and guess what? I got them right. Which knife goes where. And you have one open slot here for convenience. Maybe you got another favorite knife. Boy, we're gonna have some fun with these, aren't we? So this is Calphalon Precision. Automatically sharpens. Stays sharp for a lifetime. Walnut stained wood block. The wood smells good. Smells like good wood. Precision honed edge, fully forged, one piece. High carbon German steel. Bar shaped rivet. Contoured handle. Bolster. Labeled handle. And the labels are pretty neat. And this big one. Whoa, you hear that come out of there? Still steamed from the delivery because it's cold outside. Frosty. Just the weight of it when you pull it out. Hear it? Sharpens it every time. Wow. Hope I don't get hurt with these. And you got 8 beautiful steak knives. I have to eat a lot of steak. Bread knife, utility knife, paring knife. See the little sharpening thing down there? Ceramic. The white V. Ceramic, so it won't leave metal shavings all over. You know, like the old metal sharpeners. Did I get an onion and try it once? I gotta try it, don't I? Yeah. Alright, I have to try this. I have to try cutting an onion. Which knife should I use? 6-inch Santoku. Santoku. Get it? See how it is. Ooh. Ooh. Let's not cut ourselves. Alright? Don't want to do that. Let's try it. Careful now. Nice slices. Nice slices. Let's try the dices. Now, I never said I was a pro, but this will help everybody, pro or not. And these sets come in different sizes and different prices, and there's a link down there if you're interested. Just check them out anyway. Look at these. Okay. Always be careful. Chop them up, chop them up, chop them up. See that? You can get this rocking motion. You know how you do that. Nice. Alright. We're going to have a lot of fun, and you're going to see a lot of these in our future videos. Nice. Good gift for somebody or yourself. Alright. You like it? I like it. Talk to you soon.